guys, Rick with F Sub Outdoors here. Got Jay, got B-roll. We were using crankbaits down here on the Ohio River. Got some real nice smallmouth bass, high flying action. Stick with us the whole way, you'll enjoy it. Got him. Nice, we got some bed in that rod.
This feels like a better one.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Want to net him
Got
for me? There.
I'll try again.
It's a good nut.
There you go.
Good net job.
I'm not used to netting fish that small.
That big, he means.
You might want to go in reverse, but
I got it. Jack of all trades, master of none. Well, he wanted that.
oh, I see you jumping. I see you jumping over there.
All right. Ooh. Not a bad one.
Got him.
There you go, Bob.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's clear in there. Largemouth. Was not expecting that.
There you go. Multi-species action.
Oh yeah, we don't get too many largemouth down here.
Back on the Ohio River.
I could probably get that with my hand, but I got my pliers handy, so. Nice little largemouth. What are you doing in the river? You belong in a pond or a lake. You're a dish pickle.
Another one. Oh, bigger one.
Nice one.
Get the net. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah.
Got hooked below the lip there.
Oh,
Nice one.
there's a good one.
Definitely got to put old Trusty on.
All right, pass them back. Nice. Second fish I caught right in this same spot. So hopefully that's saying something. Maybe we found a little pocket
Might
of
be a
it.
couple pounder.
Yeah,
Nice one.
it's a good one. Yeah, cheese. On the Ohio River.
A pound and a half.
It's just so fun to catch, I'm telling you. It's hard to stay away. Oh yeah, that was a good one.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, buddy.
there's one. Oh.
Jay's on it today with old Trusty.
He's putting on a display.
Yeah, he's a little more aggressive than that last one.
Hey,
Oh,
decent one, decent one.
Nice bass on the river.
Not a baby. Not a baby. Oh yeah. Real good one for me.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, you got two nice ones tonight. Tell the fans about old Trusty.
Yeah. Just try not to get hooked here, and then I'm gonna hold him up. But we call it Old Trusty, but it's just a little 3-inch Rapala we've been using here for years and landing these smallmouth. And we also caught a big tiger muskie on one, what, 2 years ago now? Last year. So let's let this guy go. It's nice. That's a long one. Hey.
Yeah, what's nice when they hit it, as soon as it hits the water, you don't have time for it to get weeds. To learn it, get weeds.
Hopefully Rick set the hook this time.
I did. He almost landed himself in the boat.
Yeah. It's like a bluefin tuna.
Heck yeah, on the blue crankbait. There's my first heck yeah of the day.
We're getting a lot of marks right here, so might be the spot.
Let's see if we can get him to jump for us again. Nope. Keep going. There we go. There we go. Hey-oh.
There's one.
Wow, he gave up. Now I'm just dragging him in. What the heck? Did he wore himself out jumping? Hey, buddy. How you doing? You want to get in the boat? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this spot seems to hold some nicer fish. And he jumped and he was like, ah, screw it. Just get me in the boat. Got one over here too.
Oh, he's off.
All right, here's that guy. There he's going. There's a nice one. All right, he hit hard anyways.
Decent one.
Oh yeah, better than the last one.
Hey boss, you just gotta wait for the sun to go down.
Right? Ah,
Count,
easy release.
Count. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's got some action going on over there. Oh.
Hey, hey. The sun's going down and the fish are turning on. Gotta love that. I just tell you, this, I mean, you're gonna want to buy a bass boat. These are so much fun to catch. Even these little ones got such a fight to them. Oh, there he is. Oh. Got a good one, I think.
I think you got a walleye on there.
Felt like a head shaker. Wow. Got a good one, though. Gotta give me a heck of a fight.
Over here, on the side.
Yep. Let me bring them around. Might as well net them. We were just talking about leaving.
It's a good one to finish on. What do you got here?
Oh, he's barely hooked.
Yeah, he wasn't jumping like the rest of them. I thought you had walleye.
Barely hooked. Get him. He's barely hooked. Get him. Hey. All right, 10 more casts. Oh, he's biting me. He's mad. He was mad. Sorry, bro. But this is what we're here for. Decent fish. Yep. Got one?
Yep.
Got another. Finally. Out here in 11 foot of water.
Yeah, and I threw that out. I didn't throw that towards the shore either. I threw that pretty parallel with the shore.
You in that?
There we go.
Young deer. Joe didn't believe us that we were just hanging them the other day.
Yeah.
Come back and show them.
This was definitely the action I was expecting when we first got here today, but like Jay said, yeah, we just had to wait for a little later in the day for the day to cool down, the fish to move into the spot. But, you know, I always listen to Jay. He knows what he's talking about. Yeah, my fishing guide over there.
Got another one. Oh, he's jumping. Sun's out. Sun's down now. And alive. Old Trusty. Get in here. Got a nice hook set on him.
What was that, back-to-back cast for you?
Oh, this one's fat, yeah. I got a pocket of them back there I marked on the finder. And down there 11 foot of water by a big tree down in the water. This one's real fat. Big old fat belly on them. Another nice Ohio River smallmouth. We got another one? No? Let's see if we can get him to jump. No, he splashed it. There you go. F's Up Outdoors here. Jay, Rick up front. Ohio River, September 14th. The bite is on. Get down here. Smallmouth are going crazy. We had to wait till almost dark and then they turned on. I don't know how many we caught, 20. We could have caught 20 more if we just didn't run out of daylight. So we got to race back to the ramp. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're into this. We'll be back down here real quick. Anywhere there's fish biting, that's where we're at.